Sine and cosine on the graph part 1. Stuff to know: sine and cosine both have a period of 2 times pi. Let's start with a way to find simple values of sine and cosine. Using the unit circle, we can find whether sine/cosine is 1, -1, or 0. First, we have to know that 2 times pi is 360 degrees, so you can convert degrees to radians. The unit circle has its center at 0, 0, so 1, 0 would be 0 degrees since you move in a counterclockwise direction, hence meaning that 90 degrees is 0, 1, 180 degrees is -1, 0, and 270 degrees is 0, -1. The x value that you get is for cosine and y is for sine. Like in one period of sine or cos, it might go from 0 to -1 to 0 to 1, and finally back to 0. You use this to graph sine and cosine by turning 2 times pi into 4 pieces, which end up being 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. I will show you how to graph sine. You first use 2 times pi and divide it into 4 pieces, plot each point on the graph, then connect. For cosine you do the same thing, but rather than taking the y values you take the x values. Let's do an example problem to cover what has been learned in this lesson. The problem will be graphing y equals cos x.